There are a lot of stuff people want to know about you, and a lot of things which has happened in the past as well. So starting and ending with that on itself, so first question would be on what's your status with Bhavya, Ashish, Divya, and Ishan. So let's start.
Isha?
Ishan.
Nishant.
Nishan. Sorry.
Nishu.
Nishan.
Okay.
Let's start with Bhavya. Let's clear the things.
I've not spoken about it ever, but I mean, there was a friendship on the show, which got over after the show, and I would like to just leave it there. Sometimes you realize what's good for you, and you stick to that, and that was the decision I had to take, and I took.
Okay.
And I've never said anything against her in the last 4 years, and I would continue to not say anything about her.
But I remember that she came to one of her videos, in her channel itself, and she posted that she wouldn't mind getting you as one of the guests in our show, and then probably saying sorry to you. Yeah, I guess she said that. She said that she might as well say sorry, if things go that way.
The thing is that so much has happened, okay, and right now, anything I say, I mean, I hope she's moved on in her life and she's really happy and very good with what she's doing and stuff. I hope all of that for her.
Yeah.
But I don't think you'll be seeing me on a podcast with her anytime soon.
Sure. And you have never got in touch with after Splitsvilla?
And I did not choose to.
Okay. Okay.
I can spill a lot of tea, but I would not want to do that. Also respecting the friendship that I had with her at one time. At one point in time, she was like a really good friend to me, and I doted over her. I really was very fond of her. But then when if I say anything, it's just giving out too much.
No. Okay. I mean, your call. Absolutely, that makes sense. Okay, let's talk about Ashish.
Ashish, we never dated. On the show also, we were very vocal about the fact that we're just friends. हमारी vibe match हो रही है, task कर रहे हैं हम ये वो, all of that. But we never dated. A lot of people thought we dated, but we never said that. Find a footage जहाँ हमने बोला है, ऐसा मिलेगा ही नहीं. And right now, actually, I think he is seeing someone, and I'm very happy for both of them. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, and Divya.
Divya and I have never really been friends as such.
But have been kind of acquaintances, have you been in touch?
We were on a show. My first show, my life ka first show. I was with her on the show, and I mean, it was just. Also, I was much closer to Varun on the show. So after the show, also, हमारी बातचीत एक दो बार हुई है. That's that. We never really cultivated and turned that into a friendship ever. Sure. So it's just that.
So since then as well, have you been in touch, or it's like
not really.
कभी मिल गए तो वैसे kind of stuff?
मिल गए तो hi, how are you? That's it.
Oh, okay. And Varun
and I, the last time I sent him was some funny meme of him only. So we have that rapport of sending each other lame ass memes, and we get each other's jokes. So that vibe I have.
Must be really happy about how Varun's career trajectory has grown up now.
Yes.
Yeah, it's just fabulous.
It was long due, and I think he definitely deserves it. Yeah.
Absolutely. And what about Nishan?
Nishu is a friend that I made on Bigg Boss, and I think the only genuine dear friend that I continue having after Bigg Boss. I have, obviously, we are both overly dramatic, so we've seen But with Nishu, it's never we don't stretch things for too long and stuff like that. And I meet him and it's always fun.
Wow. Okay, that's spilling the tea. Yeah, thank you so much for that. Yeah, I guess this was the one which mostly the people wanted, and very elegantly you have kind of said that. Yeah, so that makes sense.